saving $10,000. Now, that might sound like a mountain to climb, but I'm here to tell you it's more achievable than you think, and even effortless in some ways. Let's dive into some strategies to get that $10,000 sitting pretty in your savings account. Effortless Saving 1. Automation is key. Make saving automatic and invisible. Your personalized savings autopilot. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy for effortless saving. Here's how to turn it into your personalized savings autopilot. Find your savings sweet spot. Saving shouldn't feel like a punishment. Instead, analyze your income and expenses to identify a comfortable amount to automate each payday. Start small, maybe 1 to 2% of your income, and gradually increase as your income grows or you find areas to cut back on spending. Schedule smart transfers. Don't just pick any day for your automated transfers. Consider aligning them with your paycheck deposit or a few days before bills are due. This ensures you pay yourself first before other expenses drain your account, and reinforces the idea that saving is a crucial part of your financial well-being. For example, if you get paid bi-weekly on Wednesdays, schedule your automatic transfers for Tuesdays. This ensures a portion of your paycheck goes straight to savings before you even see the full amount. Multiple savings accounts. Optional, consider splitting your automated savings into different accounts. This can help you categorize your savings goals and track progress more effectively. Here are some examples. Your emergency fund. Set up an account specifically for unexpected emergencies, like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in this account. A short-term goal fund. This could be for a vacation, a down payment on a car, or any goal you want to achieve within 1 to 3 years. A long-term goal fund. Thinking about retirement, a child's college education, or a dream house. Automate a portion of your savings into a long-term investment account for these goals. Point 1. Challenge yourself. Gamify your savings with fun and flexibility. Turn saving into an engaging adventure. Saving doesn't have to be a chore. Here are some ways to make saving a fun challenge and keep yourself motivated. Themed challenges. Spice things up with creative challenges that fit your lifestyle. Here are some ideas. No restaurant weekends. Cook delicious meals at home and enjoy the savings, and maybe some new recipes. A subscription detox month. Identify and use subscriptions and cancel them. You'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting out these recurring fees. Or the 52-week challenge. Save a specific amount each week, increasing by $1 or $5 each time. By the end of the year, you'll have a significant amount saved. Competitions with friends. Turn saving into a friendly competition. Here's how to make it work. Find a group of like-minded savers. This could be your family, colleagues, or even online communities. Set ground rules. Decide on a challenging time frame, saving goals, and a fun reward system for the winner. Track your progress. Use spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or even a shared whiteboard to track each other's progress. The element of friendly competition can be a powerful motivator. A reward system. Motivate yourself with mini rewards for achieving small saving goals. Here are some ideas. Your experiences over things. Instead of buying something new, reward yourself with an experience you'll cherish, like a movie night with friends or a hike in nature. Or invest in yourself. Use some of your savings to take a personal development course or learn a new skill. Contribute to a charity you care about. Giving back to the community can be a rewarding way to celebrate your saving milestones. Point 1. Utilize saving apps. Put technology on your side. Your handy toolkit for effortless saving. There's a wealth of financial apps designed to make saving easier and more rewarding. Here's how to leverage technology for effortless saving. Or automatic savings and round UPS. Link your debit card and watch apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, automatically depositing the difference into your savings. Every little bit counts. Some apps even allow you to customize the roundup amount to fit your budget. Micro-investing. Some apps allow you to invest your spare change, putting your money to work for you even with small amounts. This is a great way to get started with investing without a large initial investment. Level up your savings. Become a savings superhero. Saving consistently is a great first step, but there are ways to supercharge your savings and reach your financial goals even faster. Here are some advanced strategies to transform you into a true savings superhero. 1. Become a budgeting boss. Track your money like a pro. Knowing where your money goes is crucial for effective saving. Here's how to become a budgeting boss. Choose your budgeting method. There are various budgeting methods available. Popular choices include the 50/30/20 rule, allocating 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings/debt repayment, or zero-based budgeting, assigning every dollar of your income to a specific purpose. Find the method that best suits your financial style and personality. Track your expenses. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a simple pen and paper to track your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Or identify areas to cut back. Once you see where your money goes, analyze your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's those daily lattes, unused gym memberships, or impulse purchases. Every dollar saved adds up. A review and adjust. Your budget shouldn't be a static document. Review it regularly, adjust it as your income or expenses change, and celebrate your progress along the way. Point 1. The emotional bank. Break the cycle of impulse spending. Our emotions can often lead to impulsive spending that derails our savings goals. Here's how to manage your emotional spending. Recognize your triggers. Identify situations or emotions that lead you to overspend.
Are you stressed? Bored? Feeling down?
Once you know your triggers, you can develop coping mechanisms. The wait 24 hours rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, impose a 24-hour waiting period. This allows the excitement to fade, and you can make a more rational decision. Often, the urge to buy will disappear by the next day. Find alternatives. Instead of retail therapy, find healthier ways to cope with difficult emotions. Exercise, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones can all be mood boosters without draining your bank account. Point 1. The not now but later technique. Delay gratification for long-term wins. Instant gratification is tempting, but it can sabotage your savings goals. Here's how to develop delayed gratification and prioritize long-term gains. Future self-visualization. Imagine your future self enjoying the benefits of your savings. Are you saving for a dream vacation? Picture yourself relaxing on the beach. Visualizing your goals can be a powerful motivator. Embrace delayed gratification. Don't fall for the buy now, pay later trap. Instead, save up for the things you truly want. The satisfaction of achieving a goal through hard work and saving is far more rewarding than instant gratification. Utilize savings tools. Take advantage of tools like a wishlist on online stores or a cooling off of periods before finalizing purchases. These tools can help you avoid impulse buys and give yourself time to reevaluate your needs. By incorporating these advanced strategies, you'll gain more control over your finances, make smarter spending decisions, and become a true saving superhero. Bonus tip: don't save $10,000. Hear me out. Instead of a giant, overwhelming goal, break it down. Aim for $1,000 first. Celebrate that win, then set your sights on $2,000. This bite-sized approach keeps you motivated and makes saving feel less daunting. Remember, consistency is key. Even small savings efforts add up over time. With these tips and a little dedication, you'll be well on your way to that $10,000 goal. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with your favorite saving strategies, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips.